Hello, it's Vicky, the Happy Budgeting Mom. Today I want to show you my newest savings challenge creation just in time for Christmas in July. And it is going to be a Grinch savings challenge box. I'm so excited for this. I have been working on this for some time and I think that I'm finally ready to launch it today. Wednesday, July 15th. I'm going to be taking photos, posting this on my Etsy, and it will be available immediately after that. There are limited quantities. There are only 23 of these. So if you are interested in getting one, you need to get one quick because they will sell out so fast. I think anyway. So what you're going to get, and I'm going to pack the box as I do this so you can see everything that you're going to get and how it's going to be set up. So it's going to come in a evergreen colored box. And let me set that back here. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to be including are going to be 5 1-inch pin-backed buttons. And these are super adorable to decorate your stockings with, or maybe put it on a handbag or a backpack. They do have the pin-back buttons, and they are Christmas themed. Super adorable. So you get 5 of those. There is going to be a PVC plastic zipperless envelope and a Christmas savings Grinch themed, and that's going to go into the envelope for you to save your cash in. So you get both of those. There is going to be a Grinch, Grow Grinch's Heart 3 Sizes Challenge. You can assign each colored heart an amount. There's pink, there's red, and then kind of like an in-between those two colors. And depending on what your savings goals are or your budget, you can assign your own amount. This is laminated, so you can use it multiple times. A green Sharpie to go along with that laminated savings challenge. There is another savings challenge, which is a scratch off. Christmas is not about how much you spend, it's about how much love you wrap into it. This challenge will let you save $100. We have another challenge, which is going to be the Grinch challenge. There is a cute plastic Grinch face, and inside this, you can use this for multiple uses after the fact. You can put little candies in it, little trinkets. It would be super adorable to fill up with something and put in a stocking. But we have this, and inside this, you're going to get 25 Grinch faces, and on the back there's different tasks or savings. I want to show you one of them without giving it all away. There are some that are very basic, which tells you to save an amount. You could save $5, $35, $60. I don't know. They're all random, but you're going to have some like this. Other ones, you're going to have a task, such as, I don't want to give all of these away, so I don't want to tell you what the tasks are. But for instance, one might be go to your Amazon wish list, pick an item, now save that amount. So if you went to your Amazon wish list, maybe there was a pair of shoes on there for $30, you would save $30. So you're either going to get a task that will have you save an amount, or it'll just outright tell you save this amount. There's 25 of these, and they fit in there perfectly. And I apologize for the noise, but this is going to go into a plastic bag. There you go. And it's going to go in here. And I don't want these to be scratched off, so I think I'm going to put this towards the bottom so that the scratchers are protected. You're going to get a Christmas tree paper clip, a 100 Grinch buck placeholder, so when you save $100, you can put this in that place and put the cash into a high yield savings account where it'll grow interest until Christmas time. But look at Grinch, isn't he so cute? So you get one of these, and then you also get a laminated cash breakdown teller slip, and this is also Grinch themed. So all of that comes in the box. We're going to wrap that all up. And we are going to have a Grinch sticker. And we have a Grinch to seal it all up. And then that is the Grinch Savings Challenge box. This is going to be available on my Etsy store this afternoon, so watch for that. And the link is in the description box. I hope that you guys love this. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And just a heads up, I am going to be launching a lot of different items this week and next week into my Etsy store. They are going to be Halloween and Christmas themed, maybe some Thanksgiving, and a sneak peek. One of them is a crystal ball fortune telling savings challenge. This is absolutely adorable. This will be coming up in my next video. Stay tuned. Happy budgeting and take care.